episode, guys, and we're going to be in the shed yet again today, finishing off this ute. Today's fun upgrade we're going to be putting in is suspension. So today we're going to be installing a brand new set of shocks from comp rods from Parts Man, and we're also going to be installing these new coils as well, which I'm super excited for because the ones in there are clapped. So let's go get this car on the hoist and start taking the old stuff out. As you can see, this guy is proper fingered, so we're definitely replacing him with a new one. And I just got to undo the other side and then we can put this up on the hoist. These are all the tools you need. Hammer. It varies essentially. Oh, and a spanner.
And a spoolie.
And on this car, every single bolt is like a different price. So nice. Yo, look how dirty I already am. This shock is really cable tied it there, haven't you? Look at this. This is from this shock because it's leaked all of its oil out and now it's all over me. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to do today. Okay, we have released all the coils. All the shocks. The shocks go through into here in this car. So they've been completely undone. Now it's just got to get it up on the hoist to get the old coils out, which shouldn't be a big job because they fall out every time I drive the stupid car anyway. Alright, we have got it lifted up just high enough for me to be able to get these old guys out, so that's exactly what we're about to go do. And this is what I mean by it won't be very hard. Okay, so these are our fresh coils from Parts Man, which is pretty sick. Let's get these guys out of the box. They're pretty heavy, I'll tell you that much. Stay tuned for when I unwrap them. There is nothing better than a fresh coil before it gets absolutely ruined from all the dirt, but these are the coils. They're very pretty in blue, they match the rest of the car, and this is apparently the left hand side, which I'm assuming goes to passenger side, according to Bronson. And that is one coil seated, so let's go do the other. Now, doesn't that look a lot nicer already? Bronco, what are you doing? Bronco, you're on camera, buddy. That's so inappropriate. We've got to try and get in here. Oh, these ones might be a bit harder. Okay, Bronson, is this as high up as it can go?
No, I can go up.
I think it's going up. Skill. Alright, that's the coil out. No, I can get it out. Maybe. And that is the old shock. So I struggled to get the coil in for about like 10 minutes before I realised I could just lift the hoist up that little bit more, and it went in like so easily. So if you're ever wondering what it's like to be a blonde, here's a very good example of it. So these are the shocks we got. Oh no, we lost the rubbers. So these are the shocks we got going in here now. Okay, now we're just going to do them up. Alright, now they are seated the best they can be, and the coils are done up, on the shocks are done up, so we're going to lower it back down. That looked pretty nice how it's sitting. So all that's really left for us to do is these remote resi mount things, I don't know what you call them, They need to be drilled out in here somewhere so we can mount them out of the way somewhere. But other than that, those are fresh coils in there. They look really nice. Fresh front shocks. We have gone with a set of 2.5 remote res shocks, again from Comp Rods from Partsman. We have a set in my wagon and we absolutely love them. We just took them up to Cape and back and they were so great. They did not have any issues and they were super comfortable. So of course we had to get them for this car. But if you're looking for a new set of shocks, go check out his website because there will be definitely something on there for you. Not only that, but Dan is also going to be building us a set of custom shocks that we will send in measurements for, which is super nice of him to be doing that for us, which I'm really excited for those. But we just got to mount these little bad boys and then they're pretty much done. So yeah, very excited to test this all out. Hopefully early next year. That is my goal. But stay tuned for our next episode because we're going to be doing a lot more to this car. We've still got to finish the tray and that's a little bit of a sneak peek over there of how we're going to be mounting the spare tyre. We've got to paint that guy and put him back on, and we've also got to do the front bull bar back on again and some custom bar work that will be coming soon. So keep watching our channel to get updated. Until then, see you later.